Welcome to Lokhidev Das Information YouTube channel. Now I have presentation on Aadhaar Card Supervisor Operator Exam Question and Answer in English 2021. Presented by Lokhidev Das 9101046197. Director Krishnaguri Computer Training Center KCTC Okajan Santipur Okajan District Dhemaji Assam PIN 787059. Question number 1. Which persons or entity among the following is eligible to become a registrator? Option A, any individual. Option B, any entity under central government, ministry, state government. Option C, any citizens of India. Option D, any individual capable of running business. The right answer is option B, any entity under central government, ministry, state government. Question number 2. Which of the following should be avoided not to be done by the registrator? Option A, responsible for field level education, monitoring and audit. Option B, display adequate information about Aadhaar enrollment and up to date on their website. Option C, use of information collected during enrollment of any purpose other than Aadhaar enrollment up to date. Option D, allow UIDAI reasonable access to the premises occupied by it and case required. The right answer is option C, use of information collecting during enrollment for any purpose other than Aadhaar enrollment up to date. Question number 3. Registrars shall at all times abide by the code of conduct as specified in dash for Aadhaar enrollment up to date. Option A, Aadhaar Act 2016 and Aadhaar regulations. Option B, GFR rules. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, Aadhaar Act 2016 and Aadhaar regulations. Question number 4. Who among the following is responsible for evaluating the applications of agencies and empanel the eligible agencies as enrolling agencies? A. Option A, Central Ministry. Option B, Register and UIDAI. Option C, both 1 and 2. Option D, UIDAI. The right answer is option B, Regular and UIDAI. Registrator and UIDAI. Question number 5. What are the basic responsibility of registrator? Option A, advance to Aadhaar Act 2016 and Aadhaar regulation. Option B, hear, engage enrolling agency and monitor its functioning. Option C, ensure that any enrollment agency and or person employed or appointed by them to conduct the enrollment and up-to-date operation are certified. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 6. Which person or entity among the following is eligible to become a enrolling agency? Option A, any individual fulfilling the condition mentioned in RFE of enrollment agency specified by registrator UIDAI. Option B, any individual capable for running a business. Option C, any clarifier operator supervisor. Option D, any individual who won a Aadhaar enrollment up to date device. The right answer is option A, any individual fulfilling the condition mentioned in RFE for enrollment agency specified by registrator UIDAI. Question number 7. Which of the following criteria should an individual qualified to be eligible for a supervisor? Rule 1. Should be of age 18 years and above. 2. Shall be 10 plus 2 pass. 3. Should have Aadhaar number. 4. Should have obtained supervisor certificate from a testing and certification agency. 5. Should have obtained a certificate in basic of computers. Option A 1, 2 and 3, option B 1, 3 and 4, option C 1, 2, 3 and 4, option D all the given options. The right answer is option C 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 8. Which of the following should an individual process before starting his high role as EA supervisor? Option A should possess basis in computer education certificate. Option B should be graduate. Option C should be comfortable with local language keyboard and translation. Option D should be a permanent person within the given regions. The right answer is option C should be a comfortable with local language keyboard and translations. Question number 9. Who among the following is responsible for setting up of the laptop/desktop with Aadhaar client installed and tested at enrollment center? Option A authority, option B registrator, option C operator/supervisor, option D IT technician. The right answer is option C operator/supervisor. Question number 10. Supervisor must submit his high bonding form along with the required documents to the enrollment agency, which in turn submit the form to DES concerned for verification. Option A authority regional office, option B verification officer, option C another supervisor, option D registrator office. The right answer is option A authority regional officers. Question number 11. Who among the following consider as enroll user during the operator/supervisor onboarding? Option A user who introduce other residents who cannot proceed POI or POA. Option B a user who has filled the enrollment form to get Aadhaar. Option C a user who has appeared at an enrollment center to get enrollment for Aadhaar. Option D operator/supervisor who biometric verification is successfully completed and stored in the enrollment client. The right answer is option D operator/supervisor who biometric verification is successfully completed and stored in the enrollment client. Question number 12. In case of introducer based enrollment, which of the given additional information shall be collected? Introducer's signature, 2 introducer thumb impression, 3 introducer's Aadhaar number. Option A only 1, option B only 2, option C both 2 and 3, option D all of the given options. And so right answer is all. Option D all the given options. Question number 13. As part of managing the enrollment center, which of the following should supervisor do? Option A significant every enrollment Aadhaar client. Option B use find Aadhaar facility, ensure fresh residents have never enrolled. Option C ensure that the operator provides his high biometric confirmation after every Aadhaar enrollment up to date. Option D all the given option. The right answer is option D all the given option. Question number 14. Supervisor also ensure that enrollment stations are shared at least once in every. Option A 10 days, option B 15 days, option C 20 days, option D month. The right answer is option A 10 days. Question number 15. Which of the following should a supervisor ensure to break up, snip and export data? Option 1 take backup of all the enrollment data twice a day to external hard disk. 2 send all the day-to-day enrollment details to your personal email ID. 3 send as enrollment stations at least once in every 10 days. 4. Maintain register for data export. 5. Save all the data on Google Cloud. Option A 1, 2 and 4. Option B 1, 3 and 4. Option C 2, 3, 4 and 5. Option D all the given option. The right answer is option B 1, 3 and 4. Question number 16. At the end of the day, supervisor should allow the operator to review the enrollment packets created by him. Option A true, option B false. The right answer is option B false. Question number 17. In case of any error found in the enrollment data entered, which of the following should be done? Option A use the discretion to fill in the details correctly. Option B a supervisor need to identify the correct data. Option C inform the resident to come to the enrollment center within correction time frame. Option D go to resident's house and collect the right details. The right answer is option C information resident to come to the enrollment center within correction the time frame. Question number 18. Which of the following actions should a supervisor do after day end review? Option A sign off by giving his her fingerprint. Option B send a mail to authority. Option C send block SMS to resident enrolled for the day. Option D ask operator to sign off by giving his her fingerprint. The right answer is option A sign off by giving his her fingerprint. Question number 19. A supervisor monitors and audits the function at the enrollment center. Who does the audit feedback have the enter them? Option A remove the underperforming operators. Option B cut the pay of the operators whose performance is not at the benchmark. Option C identify the areas of improvement of enrollment operation and data quality. Option D escalated the matters to the authority. The right answer is option C identify the areas of improvement of enrollment operations and data quality. Question number 20. Who is operator supervisor? Option A person who handles the functions of the enrollment agency like clearing electricity, connection, etc. Option B a mediator between the authority and enrollment agency. Option C an individual employed by enrollment agency to execute enrollment at the enrollment station. Option D a resident who comes to the enrollment agency to get enrolled for other. The right answer is option C an individual employed by enrollment agency to execute an enrollment at the enrollment stations. Question number 21. Which of the following is the eligibility criteria for an individual to work for the role of operator supervisor? Option A person should be between 18 and 21 years of age. Option B person should be a graduate. Option C person should be expert in Java. Option D person should have obtained operators supervisor certificate from a testing and certification agency. The right answer is option D person should have obtained operator supervisor certification from a testing and certification agency. Question number 22. Which of the following should an operator supervisor must ensure which checking residents Aadhaar enrollment to enrollment or update form? Option A has resident thumbprint. Option B has operator thumbprint. Option C her verifier signature. Option D has a introducer or SOF signature. The right answer is option C has verifier signature. Question number 23. Operator should make sure that the resident skin is off when capturing his her biometrics and IRS. Option A, yes. Option B, no. The right answer is option B, no. Question number 24. Operator should ask the resident to cross-check the data being entered and review demographic data with resident before signing off. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option A, true. Question number 25. In case of Anganwadi ASHA worker who want to be a play operator, what should be his or her minimum qualification? Option A, 10 pass. Option B, 12 pass. Option C, graduate. Option D, diploma holder. The right answer is option A, 10 pass. Question number 26. Who among the following has the authority to approve or reject the onboarding of operators? Option A, any other operator. Option B, UID regional office. Option C, supervisor. Option D, resident. The right answer is option B, UID regional office. Question number 27. Which of the following is used to enroll a child? Option A, CLE tablet. Option B, any desk computer with client installed. Option C, any laptop with client installed. Option D, enrollment form. The right answer is option A, CELC tablet. Question number 28. Which of the following is done to add a CELC operator in the Aadhaar client software? Option A, take the operator's original identity proof documents. Option B, take the operator signature. Option C, take the operator biometrics. Option D, take the operator's original qualification and certificates. The right answer is option C, take the operator biometrics. Question number 29. Who is a verifier? Option A, one who verifies if the given biometrics are right. Option B, one of verifies the document and enrollment up-to-date form submitted by the resident. Option C, one who verifies that the resident enrolling for the first time. Option D, one of the ensured that the resident is at least graduate before enrolling. The right answer is option B, one who verifies the documents and enrollment up-to-date form submitted by resident. Question number 30. Who among the following are well situated for the role of verify? Option A, private school teachers. Option B, retired government officials. Option C, well educated housewives. Option C, military personnel. The right answer is option B, retired government officials. Question number 31. Which of the following documents submitted by resident is acceptable for verification purpose as POA? Option A, original educational qualification documents. Option B, photocopy PAN and PAN card attested by graduate officer. Option C, electricity bill not older than 3 months. Option D, all given options. The right answer is option C, electricity bill not older than 3 months. Question number 32. In which of the following instance can a verifier refuse verification? Option A, if he finds that the details in a document are edited. Option B, if the photocopy of education qualification certificate is submitted. Option C, if the resident submit electricity bill as a proof of address. Option D, both 1 and 2. The right answer is option D, both 1 and 2. Question number 33. All requires a document containing the resident name and dates. Option A, mobile number. Option B, residential address. Option C, email address. Option D, photograph. The right answer is option D, photograph. Question number 34. A resident approach used for Aadhaar enrollment. The resident name in the POI is Kannada Prasad, whereas in the POA it is Kannada Shekhar. What would you do in such a case? Option A, enter the name as Chandra Prasad. Option B, enter the name Chandrasekhar. Option C, enter the name as Chandrasekhar Prasad. Option D, reject the application. The right answer is option D, reject the application. Question number 35. What would you do in case the two documentary proof produced by the enrollee have verification in the same name? Option A, enter the name as given in educational qualification. Option B, enter the resident full name. Option C, enter the name suggested by resident. Option D, enter the name recorded in POI document. The right answer is option D, enter the name recorded in POA document. Question number 36. Which of the following should operator do before taking his role as operator? Option A, complete his studies and not engage in any other education related activities during his tenure. Option B, read the complete training material on Aadhaar enrollment / up-to-date available on authority website and get certified. Option C, get trained as software technologists like C and Java. Option D, all the given option. The right answer is option B, read the complete training materials and Aadhaar enrollment / up-to-date available and authority website and get certified. Question number 37. Supervisor must ensure that staff at the center do not ask for any additional money except for the prescribed fees. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option A, true. Question number 38. Any serving / retired official board from government and PSUs including banks not below the rank of dash may be allowed to be deployed as verifies. Option A, Group A. Option B, Group B. Option C, Group C. Option D, managers. The right answer is option C, Group C. Question number 39. Which of the following item of information is only collected for records and no verification will be carried out? Option A, information on parents in case of adults. Option B, information and education qualification. Option C, information related to address in case of child. Option D, information related to parents in case of child. The right answer is option A, information and parents in case of adults. Question number 40. Which of the following should be done to establish the relationship between hoof and the family members? Option A, verify the POR document. Option B, interview the family members. Option C, ask for DNA report. Option D, verify with the neighbors of the family. The right answer is option A, verify for POR document. Question number 41. Head of family must always accompany the family member when the family member is getting enrolled. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option A, true. Question number 42. It is not mandatory to verify the SOF details in the enrollment / up-to-date form in case of SOF based verification. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option B, false. Question number 43. It is not essential to mention the relationship details in case of SOF based enrollment. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option B, false. Question number 44. In case of introducer based enrollment, only introducer's name and additional information required. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option B, false. Question number 45. It is a mandatory to note the religion and caste when enrolling a resident for Aadhaar. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is false. Option B. Question number 46. In case of head of family based enrollment, the SOF Aadhaar number should be verified against his / her Aadhaar letter. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option A, true. Question number 47. Residential address is an additional demographic information required for enrollment. Option A true, option B false. The right answer is option B false. Question number 48. Who among the following can be an introducer? Option A registered employee, option B head of the family, option C any Indian citizen, option D a farmer. The right answer is option A registered employee. Question number 49. Name is a demographic information required to be provided during enrollment. Option A true, option B false. The right answer is option A true. Question number 50. Gender is a demographic information required to be provided during enrollment. Option A true, option B false. The right answer is true. Question number 51. The operator should take the resident mobile number mandatorily enter the same in enrollment form. Option A true, option B false. The right answer is option B false. Question number 52. An operator should capture GPS coordinates at the start enrollment every day. Option A true, option B false. The right answer is option A true. Question number 53. Which of the following demographic information shall be collected from an individual undergoing enrollment other than children below 5 years of age? Option A name, mobile number, height, eye color. Option B name, gender, birth certificate, mother, birth certificate. Option C name, date of birth, gender, residential address. Option D name, place, height, mobile number. The right answer is option C name, date of birth, gender, residential address. Question number 54. A resident Bhaktiyar Rahul Sharma has opposed you for enrollment. Which of the following is the right way for entering his name in the system? Option A B.R. Sharma, option B Rahul Sharma, option C Bhaktiyar Rahul Sharma, option D BRS. The right answer is option C Bhaktiyar Rahul Sharma. Question number 55. Sukumar Rajpal has opposed you to get enrolled for Aadhaar. You find that his education certificate which is submitted as POI has Sukumar Rajpal, and whereas electricity bill which is submitted as POI has Rajkumar Pal. In this case, what should be the name entered in Aadhaar enrollment form? Option A RS Pal, option B Rajkumar Pal, option C Sukumar Rajpal, option D as declined by the resident. The right answer is option D as declared by the resident. Question number 56. Which of the following should be operator ensure before starting his hard day? 1. Ensure the date and time on the system is correct, up to date and time. 2. Capture GPS coordinates. 3. Send SMS to all the residents in the region to come and enroll. 4. Ensure that the station layout is as per authority guidelines. Option A 1, 2 and 3, option B 1 and 3, option C 3 and 4, option D 1, 2 and 4. The right answer is option D 1, 2 and 4. Question number 57. The authority may authorize registrators to search days from the resident not exceeding an amount specified by authority for up-to-date or demographic information and biometric information. Option A convenience fees, option B register fees, option C observed fees, option D introducer fees. The right answer is option A convenience fees. Question number 58. Which of the following software can be used for updating mobile number or email ID? Option A update client lite, option B ECMP, option C CLEP, option D none of the given. The right answer is option A update client lite. Question number 59. The authorities shall require the biometric information of children to be up to date upon attaining days of age and days of age in accordance with the procedure specified by the authority, which is a mandatory up to date for children. Option A 2 years 12 years, option B 5 years 14 years, option C 10 years 18 years, option D 4 years 16 years. The right answer is option B 5 years 15 years. Question number 60. Which of the following should operator ensure during enrollment or up-to-date process? Option A. Enrollment or up-to-date form is uploaded. Option B. Supporting documents and signed slip are uploaded. Option C. All documents are returned to the resident after enrollment. Option D. All the given options. The right answer is option D. All the given options. Question number 61. What is the key of responsibility of a CELC operator? Option A. To check enrollment and up-to-date form only. Option B. To enroll or up-to-date only. The right answer is option B. To enroll or up-to-date only. Question number 62. Which of the following software can be used for up-to-dating demographic or biometric details? Option A. Up-to-date client light. Option B. ECMP. Option C. CELP. Option D. API. The right answer is option B. ECMP. Question number 63. Which of the following certificate a CELC operator should have obtained? Option A. Diploma in Software Technology. Option B. Certificate in Basic Computers. Option C. CELC Operator Certificate. Option D. Enrollment Operator Certificate. The right answer is option C. CELC Operator Certificate. Question number 64. Which of the following statement is true about introducer? 1. Introducer will be linked or registered to introducers must not have to criminal record. 3. Introducer should be the head of the family. 4. Introducer must be above 18 years. 5. Introducer can only introduce people within the registrator's jurisdiction. Option A 1, 3 and 4. Option B 1, 2, 4 and 5. Option C 2nd and 4th. Option D 2nd, 4th and 5. The right answer is option B 1st, 2nd, 4th and 5th. Question number 65. The verifier should ensure that the name in the POA document matches with the name in the poll document. Option A true, option B false. The right answer is option A true. Question number 66. Whose name should be given in care of field? Option A child name. Option B any person who is 18 years old and above. Option C mother's name. Option D head of the family. The right answer is option D head of the family. Question number 67. Which of the following is mandatory when enrolling a child? Option A parents Aadhaar number. Option B parents education qualification certificate. Option C a signature of gazetted officer as child birth certificate. Option D introducer from a introducer. The right answer is option A parents Aadhaar number. Question number 68. Which of the following is an unacceptable act from the introducer? Option A helping a resident enroll for Aadhaar. Option B introducing the resident to the Aadhaar operator. Option C confirm the identity and address of the resident. Option D helping resident to impersonate his father. The right answer is option D helping resident to impersonate his father. Question number 69. Introduce have to provide their biometric or Aadhaar client endures residence enrollment. Option A true, option B false. The right answer is option A true. Question number 70. Other service providers may be appointed or engaged by the authority from time to time for discharging any function related to the DAS enrollment process or up-to-date of information. Option A, biometric. Option B, audit. Option C, identity proof. Option D, resident. The right answer is option D, resident. Question number 71. The authority shall provide DAS using which the register can onboard an empanel enrolling agency to an CIDR. Option A, database of resident details. Option B, enrollment ID. Option C, open request for empanelment. Option D, enrolling agency code. The right answer is option D, enrolling agency code. Question number 72. Enrolling agency shall at all time abide by the DAS force service provides as specified in Schedule 5 of this regulation. Option A, ethics. Option B, code of conduct. Option C, values. Option D, guidelines. The right answer is option B, code of conduct. Question number 73. If the identified introducer is ready to work as an introducer, she will have to dash to being an introduced for the purpose of enrolling Aadhaar enrollment. Option A, submit his original POI certificate. Option B, sign resident enrollment form. Option C, give a written consent. Option D, all the given options. The right answer is option C, give a written consent. Question number 74. Registrators shall be responsible for field level education monitoring and audit. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option A, true. Question number 75. Registrators shall use the information collected during enrollment for any purpose other than uploading information to the CIDR. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is false. Question number 76. Registrators are permanent subcontract enrollment function by enrolling agency to third parties. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option B, false. Question number 77. Service providers shall make best efforts to protect the interest of option A, registrators. Option B, observers. Option C, residents. Option D, agency. The right answer is option C, residents. Question number 78. The authority shall empanel the enrolling agency through DAS. Open RFE process. B, observer. C, registrator. D, UIDI. The right answer is option A, open CFE process. Question number 79. Registrator may permit field level manpower to be hired through third parties. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option A, true. Question number 80. The authority shall provide an enrolling agency code using which the register can onboard an empanel enrolling agency to the DAS. Option A, UIDI. Option B, Aadhaar. Option C, CIDR. Option D, DAT. The right answer is option C, CIDR. Question number 81. The enrolling agency can use the information collected during enrollment for any purpose other than uploading information to the CIDR. The right answer option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option B, false. Question number 82. Service providers shall follow maker shaker concept in their activities to ensure accuracy of enrollment and up-to-date data. Option A, true. Option B, false. The right answer is option A, true. Question number 83. Registrators shall be appointed by the authority through DAS for enrollment and up-to-date of residents across the country and could include which interact with resident in the usual course of implementation of their programs. Option A, CEC governed service. Option B, MOS or agreements. Option C, field level execution. Option D, online mode. The right answer is option B, MOS agreements. Question number 84. DES shall be responsible for field level execution, monitoring and audit. Option A, supervisor provides. Option B, enrolling agency. Option C, registrator. Or option D, supervisor. The right answer is option C, registrators. Question number 85. Registrators shall not use the information collected during enrollment for any purpose other than uploading information to the DES. Option A, CIDR. Option B, UIDAI. Option C, CSE governed service. Option D, RFE. The right answer is option A, CIDR. Question number 86. The authority shall provide a DES/N DES using which the registrator can onboard an enrolling agency to the CIDR. Option A, one-time password. Option B, enquiry verification code. Option C, enrolling agency code. Option D, identification number. The right answer is option D, enrolling agency code. Question number 87. The enrolling agency empaneled by the authority prior to establish of the authority under the Act shall be deemed to have been empaneled as DES by the authority under the Act. Option A, chairperson. Option B, member secretary. Option C, representative of the local NGOs. Option D, enrolling agency. The right answer is option D, enrolling agencies. Question number 88. The authority shall empanel the enrolling agency through A/N DES process. Option A, central identities data repository. Option B, enrollment ID. Option C, open request for empanelment. Option D, enrolling agency code. The right answer is option C, open request for empanelment. Question number 89. Without prejudice to action that may be taken under Act, violation of any regulation, process, standard, guidelines or other by any service provider or other person may result in death of the activities of such service provides. Option A, execution. Option B, immediate supervision. Option C, penalty. Option D, termination. The right answer is option B, immediate suspension. Question number 90. The authorities shall monitor the enrollment activities of the DES. Option A, registrator. Option B, enrolling agency and the operators. Option C, supervisors and other personnel associated with enrollment. Option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the given. Question number 91. DES may be appointed or engaged by the authority from time to time for discharging any function related to the resident enrollment process or up-to-date information. Option A, testing and certification agencies. Option B, other service providers. Option C, registrator. Option D, CIDR. Right answer is option B, other service providers. Question number 92. Registrators shall allow the authority responsible access to the premises occupied by it for examining any books, records, documents and computer data for the purpose of DES. Option A, accounting. Option B, financial administration. Option C, audit. Option D, complaints. The right answer is option C, audit. Question number 93. Registrators shall display on their website adequate the appropriate information about enrollment and up-to-date service, including contact details of person and service available to DES. Option A, NIRs. Option B, authorized people. Option C, residents. Option D, observers. The right answer is option C, residents. Question number 94. Which of the following are eligible entrants of the appointment as registrators? Option A, state or union territory government, central minister and departments, agencies under them. Option B, public sector companies of central or state governments. Option C, public sector bank and regulated entities including National Securities Depository. Option D, all of the given. Right answer is all of the given. Question number 95. Registrators shall not permit subcontracting of annulment function by annulling agency to dash. Option A, member secretary. Option B, service providers. Option C, third parties. Option D, observers. The right answer is option C, third parties. Thank you so much.